Hello my dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to my channel Ridhma's Kitchen. Please like and subscribe my channel to get all the recipes and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today we are going to make donuts. It's a favorite for kids and we can make different variation for the same. So let's start with the ingredients. For the donuts we will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, that is maida, 4 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon salt, a pinch of nutmeg. If you do not have nutmeg, don't worry, we can skip nutmeg. Half cup warm milk, 1 egg at room temperature, 50 grams melted butter, 7 to 8 grams of yeast and oil for frying the donuts. For the glaze, we will need half cup whipping cream, 50 grams dark chocolate, 20 grams unsalted butter, half cup icing sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Now let's start making the donut. So for the donut, I have taken 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix it all together. Now I'm going to add a special ingredient, that is nutmeg. It will give a very nutty flavor to your donut, but mind, do not add too much. Yes, enough. Now I'm going to mix it all together. I have taken half a cup of warm milk. To this I am going to add 1 egg, melted butter and around 7-8 grams of yeast. Now I am going to whisk it all together. So now all the wet and the dry ingredients are ready. I am going to mix it together. Hold it gently. Then after that I am going to mix it on the slab. I have drizzled some maida on the slab. Now I am going to take out the dough. It's very sticky, but this is the consistency that we are looking for. We have to mix the dough for at least 10-15 minutes like this. Don't worry, it will stick. In the end, it will all come together. See how nicely the dough has come out. Now we are going to let it rest. First we are going to grease the bowl with some oil. Now we are going to keep the dough and put little oil for the dough as well. Now we are going to cover and let it rest for at least 1 hour. It's been 1 hour. See, the dough has puffed up nicely. Now we are going to take the dough out. Slightly dust the surface and knead it gently for 1 to 2 minutes. Then we are going to roll it out and make the donuts. So I have rolled out the dough. It should be 1 to 1.5 inches thick. Now I have a cookie cutter which I am going to use to make the donut, and I have used a small to make the smaller donut. and with this I am going to make the smaller hole in all of the donuts. I have lightly dusted the pan. I have put the donuts in them. You can see I have even put the small donuts. They will also come out nice. So now I am going to work with the next batch. Once all is done, we are going to fry it. So the oil has been heating at medium heat. We'll gently put the donuts inside. The heat should be medium, it should not be very high, otherwise your donut will not cook in the middle. Do not overcrowd the pan. I am going to make two kinds of glaze for the donuts. For the first one, I have chopped dark chocolate and I am going to mix the whipping cream on top of that. This is unsweetened whipping cream. Just leave it for 1 minute and then we will mix it. For the second glaze, I have taken 20 grams of unsalted butter. I have melted it in the microwave. To this, I am going to add half cup of sugar. This is icing sugar and little milk. Now I am going to mix it and adjust the consistency and see if we need more milk. I think this is okay. So now I am going to glaze the donuts in the sugar glaze. So I am going to put the donut, turn it around and take it out in a wire rack and keep it. Let me show you another one. I am going to drop it in the sugar glaze and I am going to keep it on the wire rack. Now I am going to make chocolate glaze. I am going to take the donut and I am going to just drop it and take it out like this. And I am going to keep it on the wire rack to dry. The other one. So I have made 4 versions of the glazed donuts. For the first one, it is normal sugar glaze. Second one, I have glazed it with chocolate first and then I have put icing sugar on top. The third one is sugar glaze and then on top of this icing sugar. And the fourth one is the normal sugar glaze. You can even add sprinkles after glazing with chocolate or make white chocolate glaze. Make designs with white and dark chocolate on the donut. The options are endless. I hope you enjoyed my recipe today. Please read my notes for clarification and ask me any questions in the comments below. Thank you all for watching my video, and if you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel so as not to miss any recipes. I can try and post the new videos soon. Till then, take care and bye. Stay safe.